Hi friends, here I can see this is 2-pole switch. Some people say 2-gang switch. This is the local switch we have for now. So I will show you how this switch work. As you can see, it's just single pole. This one is single pole, while this one is single pole, but it's 2-pole switch. If you want to remove one of the poles, you can lose it here, so they're independent. You see it? And you see this one. That's how the switch works. Now, looking at the back of the switch, you'll find out that you have 3 holes, which is 3 terminal. Every switch you see, you will notice that there is 3 terminal in the switch. As you can see, this one is not labeled. You will not see any indication here that show which one is your COM, which one is your L1, which one is your L2. Why this is indicated? Look at it here, COM, C-O-M, and you see L1, L2. Yeah, you see 250 volts. That is what will enter inside. The amp is 10 amps X. So now this, as you can see, this one can connect 1 point of light, and it can also be looped, but you can use 1 point of light to switch on. You can use 2 switch to switch on 1 point of light. Why? Now look at this. Look at this COM here. This COM is where your cable is coming in. That is your live cable is coming in this COM, directly to this COM. Now this W1 and W2, there are 2 purposes. As this L1, L2 is here. If you want to trip on the L1, you take it down this way. The L1 is down this way. Why? If you want to work with the L2, you switch it up this way. L1 is down here and L2 is up here. So mind you, let me say, if this terminal have an issue, it's not working, but the switch is still functioning, you can still put it, you can remove the cable and put it here. What I'm saying in instance is that when 2 cable, like, let me say, look at your live and your neutral here. Assuming this is your live and your neutral here, it's coming directly. This is going to your supply, and this is going to your, okay, let me make it shorter. Okay, let's do it this way. This is going to your supply, okay. This is your supply. Now this side, this terminal here is your supply, which is negative and positive, and here is your lamp holder. What you have to do is that you just come here. This is your negative and this is your positive. You just cut this terminal. This one is already connected to your lamp holder. You just cut this terminal here. You see it? As you can see, this one is your negative, this one is your positive, but I separated it because this one is coming directly from your supply. So it's coming directly to your supply. This negative lamp. This is your live cable. Here is your supply. Hope you are seeing it. So now what you have to do is that I've separated this live cable. Now you get your switch. As you can see, this one that is coming to your supply we move in this top terminal. This first one that is single, that is your COM. If you connect this terminal to this L1 or L2, it will not show. Let's use this one that have indicator. Connect to this L1 or L2, it will not work. So you connect this one that's coming to your supply to your COM. Okay. As you can see it, you connect it to your COM here. Okay, it's connected. You can see this way. Now this your live cable. You connect it to your L1. Okay, as you can see, it's okay, it's working. Now if you on it, current will flow this way.